Hello everyone, Yusuf here. Wanted to do a quick walk around and introduction of my Mustang for my channel. So this is a 2014 Ford Mustang GT. It's a base package with a manual transmission. Did also get it in the grabber blue color. It's pretty much completely stock. When I got it, there were less than 50,000 miles on it. Put a few thousand miles on it since then. Did an oil change and some maintenance. What I love about this car is it's completely stock. There's nothing that's been added or really removed from the car. The one thing that I did notice were the side rocker stripes. I do know those are a factory option, although the ones that were on the car specifically I think may have been added by the dealer. So it's pretty much the perfect project car. I got it in pretty much the exact configuration that I wanted. I'm going to go ahead and throw my Instagram on the video so you guys can follow along with the progress. I actually have my first big mod already here, along with a couple other little things. I'll also go ahead and throw an exhaust video for you guys in the introduction so you guys can hear that. Other than that, this is Yusuf, and until next time.